finds a trumpet and a trombone. I found these around Christmas time at my local Goodwill, like 99 cents each. This one I believe is supposed to be a trombone. It's kind of a different construction. I think eventually I'm going to cut these little rings off that you could hang it on a tree with. I really like this one. It reminds me of a bugle. These are completely made of metal. Although they're not hollow, they're really cool. I liked them. It was a good find. I like collecting little things like this to just kind of add to some realism to dioramas or photo stories. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget, if you like this video, click that like button. It really helps me out. Also, if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. And click that notification bell so you don't miss out. And remember to collect, inspire, and create. See you in the next one.